Hey guys, it's the girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today I'll cook some ackee and cornpork for you. So stay tuned, me soon come back.
Better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
So now guys, I boil up my cornpork. As you can see, done boil. I cut him up fine. Put him in my frying pan with some oil right this so to get a little nice little golden color. You don't want it too dark, you just want to get a nice color there, a nice little crispy feeling inside of your mouth. You understand when you chew them in your ackee? You understand what I'm talking about? Yes. So you can see me I turn them right now because I don't want them burning. The oil pop up many times and burn you. But you don't know so cornpork see when you fry it, it'll go pop up and burn you. So I try to get that nice little golden. Nice little golden color. So while this go on with ourselves, I cut up my onion, my scallion, my sweet pepper, all different color sweet pepper, and my garlic. I'm put in my side right there. So while the cornpork still a fry, yes, you see it still a fry. You look on that nice color there. Yes, so I dash in my season them now. Saute it a little bit, yeah. You have to saute the season them. Yeah, man, them look nice and colorful and nice, yeah. So I saute me a store because you don't want the season them to burn up either. You don't want to taste some burnness in your mouth right there. So you understand? Look upon that. Look upon the color. So yes guys, sorry about that. So me stir him up right there. So I dash in my cornpork right there. So look upon the color of the cornpork. Yeah man, look at that, delicious, colorful and nice. Yeah, right there. So right now I grab my all-purpose, throw some all-purpose pan it, you want to give that nice like a taste too, you know. You want to pep up the taste. Grab my ackee right there. So wash my ackee with hot water, strain it off, throw it on my cornpork right there. So yeah, look on that man. Delicious. So I dab some black pepper over it, because you know, so you have to put a little black pepper on it. So right now I get my fork and I fold it in. Kind of scramble egg you're doing so, but I use a spoon. You use a fork and you fold it in right. So yeah, look on that. Yeah, look at ackee and cornpork right there. So yeah, look on that. So guys, that's how I do my ackee and my cornpork, and I can't wait for digging night. So guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go over there, go subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and if you not put on a post notification, you're not gonna know when good upload a video. So put on a post notification. So that's how I do my cornpork and ackee. I'm out.